Hi everyone, welcome to Papa's Workshop. Today I just received in the mail a package from a manufacturer who sent me 2 night lights for the kids' room. They're really cool looking. I saw pictures of them. Let's open up this box and see what they look like. Let's get started. All right, opening this up, I've got 2 3D lamp illusion. So we're going to take a look at those and see what they look like. Here's the second one. So in the box, we have this acrylic dinosaur. That looks kind of cool. Let's get this paper off the back of it. This is a protective film. So there we have the dinosaur. This is the base. This is battery operated. And it also has the USB cables that you can plug into a USB port on your computer or on the outlets that I have reviewed before. You could plug that in, and that's what I'm going to do today. Plug it into the outlet. And we also have a controller that will control the different colors. I'm excited to try this out. So this will just slip right into there. Okay. Let's plug this in. Now then, we're ready. What I'm going to do is go over and set this up, and I'm going to turn out all the lights, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, I just plugged it in for the first time, and this is cool. Now there's still quite a bit of light from the window, and we're going to get some other views of that. I'm going to bring the kids in tonight and let them see it also. But I just opened up the controller, and I turned it on, and we got colors. We can do the red, we got green, we've got the blue, and we've got the white. This is really kind of cool. And then we have other colors. Look, that's kind of a purple color. And there it gets to move to the different colors. Oh, I like this. This is something I think the kids are going to love. So with this controller, you have a lot of different options to be able to do with this, to get any color that you want in the room, to be able to set any type of mood. This is neat. You also have a brightness control, so you can actually dim this down. All right, we are definitely going to be playing with this some more. I like this. Now I also want to try this with the batteries. So I'm going to go ahead and just slip this out, set it aside for a minute. And I don't know if you can see in there, but that's a nice little row of the LED lights. And that's what allows this to work and to be able to give it the colors. I'm going to go to the back of the box, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. And it takes 3 AA batteries. So let me put those in right now. Oh, and the base glows. I like this. Now, We'll put this back in. Let's go upstairs and give this a try. Isn't that cool?
You can change the color with your phone.
I can change the color with the remote. See there?
Oh, yes, I want
So I'm going to give you the remote. Oh, look at that, huh?
It's in the purple.
Yeah.
And I turn back to orange. It's kind of dark and I can't see. There we go, it's back to orange.
You like that?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool looking?
What are the button for?
Go push them. One of them makes it brighter. One of them will make it dimmer. Now push the other one and it'll go dimmer. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
I got it. Oh, you can't go up really high.
It's a night light.
Hey.
And then you turn it off and you turn it on.
Oh, I'm already on orange.
Now let me show you this too. You can do different colors. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Would you like to have that in your room at night?
Yeah. Look, it has different colors.
Yeah, you can turn it off right there too.
I wanted orange.
Okay.
Orange is my favorite color. Every time you get a different color, I'm going to change it to orange.
Okay. So you got all kind of colors to choose from.
Oh, you can only put that once. It's going slower now.
Mm-hmm. Well, you can absolutely see that my 4-year-old grandson absolutely loves this nightlight. He also loves grabbing the remote and controlling the colors. Okay, let's open up the second one. Oh, that's a cool looking dinosaur too. We're going to go ahead and get the film off of this one. Now these are made out of acrylic. It looks like it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. They are, I don't know if these are actually lasered. I don't know if this was lasered or if it was cut on a CNC, but you can barely feel the actual cut into the acrylics. And it's a very fine detail and it's very sharp image. This looks great. We're going to go ahead and set this one up. And I'm going to go ahead and put the batteries in this one as well. And I'm going to set this up in the kids' room for tonight. I want to show you the controller up close so you can actually make the colors brighter, dim. You have the off and on, and then you have the different colors that are available. I'm going to go ahead and activate it. I'll pull this battery protector out. And then I'm going to go ahead and make this red so that you can see that. Oh, this is nice. Guys, the kids are going to love this. There's green. The kids are going to, if you got kids, you have got to get one of these. I'm going to put links down in the description where you can purchase these, but this is great. The quality of the engraving is fantastic. The acrylic is crystal clear. Very nice, very, very nice. I want to get this up close in the camera so that you can see it. There's actually 7 different colors on this. I want to show these night lights up close. These are really awesome. One of the features that I like about this, you can actually make it brighter or you can dim it down so it's very low lighting. So this is great for the kids' room, so if you can control the amount of light that you want to have in the room. The other thing that I like is you can choose the different colors that you want as well. So you can go with the green And I'm going to dim this down a little bit. That is so nice. And then we're going to change over to this color. And the other thing that you can do too, you can actually change this where it will be flashing. You can make it where it'll actually go dim and transition smoothly between the different colors. Guys, this is an amazing set of night lights. I actually absolutely love them. You buy these individually. I'm going to put the link in the description below to be able to purchase these. But if you've got kids or if you've got grandkids, this is something that's absolutely going to be amazing, and they're going to love going into their bedroom at night to look at the dinosaurs and then head off to bed. And this will give you just the right amount of light to be able to check on them at nighttime when they're sleeping. I absolutely love these night lights. They are fantastic. I am so glad that the company sent these to me to be able to show you all, and I think you're really going to like them. Don't forget, I'll have the link in the description where you can purchase these. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also, check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.